everyone, welcome to my channel Explore More and Learn. I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. Today I brought a video related to English grammar. It's about few, a few, the few. These words are used very commonly in English, but most of the time they are used incorrectly. Do you want to know about these words? So in this video today, I'll explain the difference. Few, a few, the few, their meanings with examples. Alright? So do not skip this video and watch it till the end. Alright? So let's start this video without wasting our time. First of all, you should know the meaning. Few means hardly any, almost nothing, and it has a negative meaning, hardly any. For example, few leaders keep their promises. That means hardly any leader keeps his promises. Few leaders keep their promises. So it has a negative meaning. More examples. Few old men have sound health after 60. So hardly any old man has sound health after 60. Few old men have sound health after 60. Another example, few children do not want to play. That means hardly any child doesn't want to play. Almost all the children want to play. So few children do not want to play. Another example, few women do not love wearing new dresses. That means all the women love wearing new dresses. So few women do not love wearing new dresses. Alright? So few means hardly any. Now a few. A few means some. It has a positive meaning. Few means hardly any, a few, some. For example, there are a few pens in my box. That means there are some pens in my box. It has a positive meaning. More examples, there are a few honest workers in my company. That means there are some honest workers in my company. Another example, she got a few awards. That means she got some awards. I like a few actors. I like some actors. Alright, now the few. The few means not many, but all those there are. Few means hardly any. The few means not many, but all those there are. For example, I have already read the few books in the shelf. That means I have read all those books which are there in the shelf. Though there are not many books, but I have read all the books which are there in the shelf. Okay, so I have already read the few books in the shelf. Not many, but all those there are. You got it? More examples. The few designer dresses left in the market were also sold. So not many dresses, but all the dresses left in the market were also sold. Okay, one more example. The few students who had appeared for the exam got good marks. Not many students, but all those students who appeared for the exam got good marks. You got it? So, the few means not many, but all those there are. Now one more time I'll tell you about their meanings. Few means hardly any. A few means some. The few means not many, but all those there are. I hope you have understood well about few, a few, and the few. So thanks for watching this video. And if you have liked this video, then please press like, and you can share it with your friends, with your family members. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe by pressing subscribe button below, and you can read my blog posts by clicking exploremoreandlearn.com. You will get the link in the description box below. Very soon I'll bring another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.